Are you feeling overwhelmed with your workload? With these powerful AI tools, you can streamline your tasks and focus on what truly matters. By implementing these strategies today, you'll gain clarity and make significant strides in your projects. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT, a versatile assistant capable of drafting emails and summarizing lengthy documents. Tasks: you can delegate that work to ChatGPT in mere seconds. For instance, request a summary of a lengthy report, and watch as it distills complex information into 5 concise bullet points, freeing up your valuable time and enhancing your productivity. Next up is Jasper AI, a fantastic tool designed specifically for content creation. When you're working on marketing copy, LinkedIn posts, or newsletters, Jasper can turn a few key points into polished text almost instantly. Instead of spending hours crafting the perfect words, simply provide your topic, and within minutes, you will have professional-level content ready to go. Embrace Jasper AI and elevate your writing efficiency, giving you more time to focus on strategy and execution. Tool number 3, Notion AI, is a game-changer for organization and productivity. This innovative tool allows you to manage projects seamlessly, create prioritized to-do lists, and even summarize important meetings. By transforming short notes into comprehensive task lists, Notion AI simplifies your workflow, ensuring that you stay organized without the tedious manual effort often required. For both teams and individuals, the smart automation features of Notion AI can significantly enhance your working environment and cut down on wasted time. Fourth, we have x.ai, your new AI scheduling assistant. Gone are the days of endless emails trying to find the perfect meeting time. With x.ai, simply input your preferences, and let this smart tool handle the rest. It liaises with all participants, finds suitable slots, and seamlessly updates your calendar. This kind of efficiency is like having a personal assistant working tirelessly around the clock to support your scheduling needs. You can now focus on your work rather than coordinating every little detail. By reducing the hassle of planning, x.ai saves you invaluable hours that can be redirected toward more important tasks. Embrace this technology to enhance your productivity and leave the logistics to your AI assistant. Finally, we arrive at our last tool, Zapier combined with Open AI. This dynamic pairing automates tedious tasks across various applications, enabling you to focus on critical activities without getting bogged down. For instance, after a meeting, Zapier can automatically send summary emails, update spreadsheets, or even generate content drafts, all with just a few clicks in the setup. This seamless integration reduces the manual labor of daily responsibilities, empowering you to maximize your efficiency and productivity effortlessly. These incredible tools demonstrate how AI can revolutionize your daily workflow. Embracing them not only boosts your productivity but also allows you to dedicate time toward innovation and creativity. Start implementing these solutions today, and watch your efficiency soar. By integrating these AI tools into your daily routine, you can unlock newfound potential, transforming your approach to work and life. Don't wait to experience the benefits, take action now and pave the way for a more productive future. Thank you for joining us, and keep innovating with AI.